everybody, hope you're well. Okay, this is maths lesson number 2 on counting forwards and backwards in different numbers, and today we're going to be counting in steps of 5. Okay, so I've got my 100 square up there with the 5 numbers highlighted, so if you need to use that to help you at any time, that's absolutely fine, but we're going to do our counting today using hand flashes. Okay, so get your hands ready. Okie dokie, so we're going to start off and we're going to be saying 5 is our first number. Off we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent job, fantastic. Okay, now the tricky bit, we're going to go backwards. So we're going to start with 100. We're going to use our hands again, but this time we're going to close our hands like we're taking them away. Okay, so here we go. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. A little bit trickier that, you had to think a little bit then. That was brilliant, well done. Okay, we're going to have a little go now at ping pong numbers. Now, if you've played this game with me before, you'll know how this works, but just to remind you. Okay, we're going to count in 5s again, but we're going to take it in turns to say a number each. So, for example, if I start counting in 5s, I would say 5, and then you would say 10. I'd go 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Okay, now it's a little bit trickier when I haven't got you in the room to help me with this, okay, so you're going to have to shout really loudly at home so that I can hear you. Okay, we'll do a practice run through first of all. Now we're going to get points for this, and the way we earn points is the team, so either Mrs. Parker or Team Overchurch, that's you guys, whoever says 100, okay, they get a point. You got that? Right, okay, let's go. So we'll start, I'll start off with them. Ready? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Oh, you got the first point. Well done. Fantastic. Now, what would normally happen is I would ask one of you to pick me a number to start with. Okay, so we play the game again, we ping pong again, but this time you have a different starting number. So what I've done is I've got some cards, I'm going to pick one of those cards, I'm going to not have a little look, I'm going to shuffle them up, I'm going to pick a starting number, and the starting number is 30. Okay, so I'm going to start from 30, and you're going to say the next numbers, okay? Let's see. Put that one down there. Let's see who says 100, and I'll get the next point. Okay, ready? Off we go. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, yay! I get the point. Okay, are we ready? So we're going to have one deciding round. So again, I'm going to pick a number. So I'm going to shuffle them up so I can't see them. I'm going to pick a number out. And it is 20. Okay? 20. So let's decide, who do you think should start this time? Would you like to start? Okay, you can start. Are we ready? So starting from 20, you're going to say 20 and then I'm going to carry on and I'm going to ping pong those numbers again. Are we ready? So off you go. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Oh, 100, you've got the last point. Excellent, well done team. Fantastic job. Have you pattern there that would help you win that game. So maybe you could try this out on your grown-ups if you think you know what you need to do to be able to be the one to say 100. Have a little think about it. Okay, good job. Let's have a look now at your challenge for today. So today's challenge says, make a count in fives handprint chart. A little bit like this picture here. Now, this could be done using painted handprints, okay, on a piece of paper or a piece of card, or you could quite easily just draw around your hands if you don't have any paints or anything like that, or you don't want to do that. Okay, that's perfectly fine. You could do it on a big piece of paper or some pieces of paper stuck together, or you could even, if you've got some chalks at home, you could even chalk around your handprint on the floor. That would look really good too. So you make your hand shapes, and on each hand shape you need to write out a fives number. Okay, now before you start, you could try and work out how many handprints you're going to need to make. Okay, and then once you've done it, you can use it to practice counting in fives, and especially backwards, because that's the tricky bit and takes a little bit more thinking. Okay, have fun with that. I'll see you soon.